Welcome back to Gate Gain, your ultimate destination for mastering modern business strategies and scaling your entrepreneurial ventures. Today, we are exploring the lucrative world of print-on-demand corporate merchandising. This business model is transforming how companies handle their custom apparel and promotional storefronts. Instead of targeting individual retail consumers, this specific approach focuses entirely on businesses and corporate teams requiring high volumes. This tutorial will break down the entire ecosystem from identifying B2B clients to setting up automated fulfillment systems. By the end of this guide, you will possess a roadmap to launch your own agency and secure recurring revenue. Corporate merchandising is massive because companies need branded items for employee onboarding and marketing events. Traditional promotional product companies require clients to buy hundreds of items in advance, tying up capital in unused inventory. Print-on-demand solves this by allowing corporations to print custom apparel only when someone actually orders it. Your role is to build the custom storefront and manage the fulfillment network for your corporate clients. To succeed in the B2B space, you must understand the differences between selling to a consumer versus a corporate decision maker. Businesses prioritize professional quality, fast shipping, and seamless invoice processing over flashy marketing gimmicks. You are selling a comprehensive solution that saves their human resources and marketing departments valuable time. By framing your service as an administrative time saver, you immediately elevate your value proposition and justify higher profit margins. The first practical step is conducting deep market research to select a profitable niche within the massive corporate sector. Instead of targeting everyone, find success by specializing in a specific industry like technology startups or healthcare systems. Each sector has unique needs, from durable embroidered polo shirts for field workers to sleek hoodies for tech employees. Specializing allows you to speak their industry language and position your brand as the go-to merchandising expert. Once you have defined your niche, you need to select the right print-on-demand production partners that can consistently meet corporate quality standards. While there are dozens of print-on-demand suppliers available online, you must specifically evaluate them based on their product catalog diversity and embroidery capabilities. Evaluate them based on bulk discounting options and shipping reliability. Look for suppliers that offer premium apparel brands because corporate clients are highly sensitive to quality. They will reject thin, cheap garments that shrink in the wash. You should immediately order sample products featuring your own branding to personally inspect the quality, inspect the print clarity, embroidery tightness, and overall packaging presentation before presenting these options to potential clients. Building your own brand identity for your agency is crucial because you cannot sell professionalism to other businesses if your own presentation looks amateur. You need a clean, sophisticated website that clearly outlines your services, showcases mock-ups of premium corporate apparel, and explains the explicit benefits of your model. Your website must feature a dedicated section for corporate clients to request a consultation, which shifts the dynamic from a retail transaction to a professional service. Ensure your branding communicates reliability, security, and exceptional attention to detail, as these are the exact traits corporate executives look for when hiring external vendors. Designs for corporate merchandise require a completely different approach than the trendy, graphic-heavy styles found in the traditional retail print-on-demand market. Corporate apparel centers around clean typography, precise logo placement, minimalist color schemes, and strict adherence to the client's official brand guidelines. You must request high-resolution vector files of your client's logo and ask for their official color codes to ensure your printing equipment matches perfectly. Avoid overcomplicating the designs. Instead, focus on creating subtle, retail-ready corporate apparel that employees actually want to wear outside of the office. The core of this business model lies in creating dedicated, password-protected promotional storefronts for each corporate client you secure. Instead of hosting all companies on a single public website, you will build private subdomains or locked pages tailored exclusively to each individual organization. You will build a clean digital storefront populated only with their approved branded apparel, such as jackets, hats, laptops, sleeves, and water bottles. This private portal allows human resources managers or employees to log in and order their own gear whenever they need it without navigating public clutter. Managing payment structures for corporate accounts requires flexibility because businesses operate on different financial systems than regular online shoppers. You can implement a corporate voucher or coupon code system where the company purchases a set amount of credits from you in advance. Generate unique digital codes for the company to distribute to new hires, allowing those employees to select their sizes and check out for free. Your system tracks the corporate budget. This approach ensures a seamless experience for the company while you maintain full control of the operations. Prospecting for your first corporate clients requires a proactive, personalized outreach strategy rather than relying on passive social media advertising. LinkedIn is an incredibly powerful tool for this business model because it allows you to directly identify and connect with human resources managers, office administrators, and marketing directors in your target niche. When reaching out, do not send a generic sales pitch. Instead, mention a specific event they have coming up or comment on their recent company growth. Offer to create a free digital mock-up of a custom corporate clothing line using their existing logo to visually demonstrate how seamless it could look. Local networking events, Chamber of Commerce meetings, and industry-specific trade shows represent gold mines for finding corporate merchandises and clients right in your own community. Attend these events with high-quality physical samples of your work, such as a premium embroidered jacket or a vacuum-insulated water bottle. When you speak with business owners, focus the conversation on their internal onboarding processes and ask how they currently distribute gear to their staff. When they mention the headaches of ordering bulk inventory and managing sizes, you can introduce your on-demand solution as the ultimate antidote. Once you secure a consultation meeting with a prospective client, you need to deliver a pitch that focuses on cost efficiency and administrative relief. Present a side-by-side comparison showing how traditional bulk ordering leads to wasted capital, dead inventory, and logistical chaos for their office manager. Contrast that nightmare scenario with your print-on-demand solution, highlighting features like zero minimum order requirements and direct shipping to remote workers. Emphasize that your agency handles all customer service, printing defects, and delivery logistics, completely freeing their internal team to focus on core operations. To truly lock in corporate clients, you should offer curated product collections tailored to specific corporate milestones. Create a pre-designed new hire welcome kit that includes a branded notebook, a premium hoodie, and a coffee mug. Develop another collection specifically for company anniversaries, holiday gifts, or annual charity events to give your clients a diverse range of options. Presenting these items as cohesive packages makes it incredibly easy for corporate decision makers to say yes because you have already done the heavy lifting. High-quality product mock-ups are essential for closing deals because corporate clients need to visualize exactly how their logo will look on premium garments. Use professional mock-up software or hire a digital designer to place your client's logo onto realistic, high-resolution photographs. Avoid using cheap, flat digital drawings that look unrealistic. Instead, opt for lifestyle imagery that reflects the corporate culture of the company. When onboarding a new corporate client, you must establish a clear service agreement that protects both parties and sets professional expectations. This contract should outline the specific production timelines, shipping expectations, return policies for defective items, and your agreed-upon profit margins. Setting up the actual digital storefront can be accomplished efficiently using modern e-commerce platforms combined with specialized print-on-demand integrations. Platforms like Shopify allow you to build secure, visually appealing websites that can be customized to match your client's color palette. Automating the workflow between your custom storefront and your print-on-demand supplier is the secret to scaling this business. The supplier prints the item, packs it, and ships it directly to the employee's home or office with your agency's name on the label. Quality control is paramount. Even though your fulfillment partner handles the printing, you bear the ultimate responsibility for the final product. Pricing your corporate merchandise appropriately requires balancing competitive rates for the business with healthy profit margins for your agency's hard work. Expand into high-margin items like wireless chargers, embroidered backpacks, and premium stainless steel drinkware to extract more value. Excellent customer service is the ultimate retention strategy that will keep corporate clients paying your agency month after month. Reach out to your clients at least 2 months before major holidays to present curated gift ideas and ensure storefronts are updated. Share case studies on your profile detailing how you helped a specific company streamline their employee onboarding using an automated storefront. Presenting a clean, professional summary report to your client at the end of the year proves the efficiency of your model with hard numbers. Offer to host, organize, and maintain all variations of their official corporate logos and brand guidelines within your secure system. Managing your cash flow correctly is vital. Ensure that your automated payment systems are captured instantly at checkout. As you gain experience, you can begin targeting massive regional events and large-scale professional conferences that require temporary storefronts. Offer organic cotton t-shirts and sustainable brands within your corporate catalogs to align with modern corporate social responsibility goals. Building a sustainable business in corporate merchandising requires patience and consistent execution. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights.